How to make a live on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, you can see different options at the bottom of the screen. So tap on this plus icon over here at the bottom. As you tap on that, you'll be able to see different options related to your videos, your photo and text, but there's no option of live. So what this basically means is that you cannot go live right now. Now let's go and check if we have the latest version of the TikTok application on our device, for which we need to launch the Play Store application. As you can see on this Google Play Store, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version. So we're going to tap on open and go back to the TikTok application. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the followers. It's extremely low. There's just 3 followers. So in order to make a live on TikTok, you need to have a minimum range of followers on your TikTok application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.